guys, welcome back. Today I have a bunch of new releases to share with you guys. I usually film them at the end of the month, but I totally miss December's new releases, so I wanted to show you guys now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you'll probably want to do that if you want to see them right away, because once the new releases go live, I do an Instagram video for you guys. So definitely follow me there if you want to see them immediately. Otherwise, I bulk all of the new releases at the end of the month and then show you what I came out with. So a lot of times some of them will be late. I do have a couple January things in here, so obviously you probably don't want to get them now, although you can to save for next year. So let's go ahead and get started. So I only came out with one set in the month of December, and it is my favorite. It is Sweetheart. So this is obviously more Valentine's related, but you can use it for date night or romance, anything you like. A cute little balloon that says love you, rose petals, a cute rose there, and then of course all of your icons on the first sheet. The second sheet is a little different than my sets normally are. I may go to this in the next set. I'm not quite sure yet. I just like the option of changing it around. I put the top border up at the top here, the bottom border in between. Now this is a little bit smaller than my other borders have been. Usually my borders cover the whole bottom bar in your Erin Condren. This does not. So for people that do like a little bit of white space on the top and the bottom, I think this would be perfect. I also think that this is going to be great to layer the two, so maybe put this on the bottom and then this on top. I might try that in this collection just to show you guys. I also added a bunch of glitter washi strips because I just thought it looked so well with this set. So there are a bunch of silver ones on the left hand side here, and then there's 4 of each of the bottom 3 here. Now that is the only change that I made in this set. Actually, that's not true. I think I made one more change, but nothing on this page. There are the flags up top here, the quarter boxes, the quarter box chevron boxes, and then all of the half boxes, and these are all glitter, so pretty. And then of course my favorite, the full box sheet. 2 of them I left blank so you can write on. These 2 are connected, but obviously, like I say every time, you do not have to connect these. They look perfectly fine separated. So pretty. Okay, so yes, there is a slight change. So on this sheet, I went back to the ombre style. I just thought that that would look really nice with this collection. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to continue doing this with all of the sets, but I may start changing up the way my sets look, depending on what I actually come out with, and not stick to a particular layout. I just find that a little bit more fun and creative. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And then of course the last sheet here, all of the date covers, the to-do, and then the meal icons and the hydrate stickers. So that was the Sweetheart collection. Now I also came out with the February monthly kits as well. So this one is the regular February monthly kit. It is 2 sheets, very pretty. It has the Groundhog Day, Valentine's Day, and President's Day. Now I still have the old February kit in the shop as well. I'm thinking about discontinuing all of the old sets, but I haven't made that decision yet. I also came out with 2 note pages. So this is the old style note page. There were a bunch of people that actually asked me to keep the old style around because they use the Recollections planner, and this fits really well in the Recollections as well. So I decided to do that this month. And then I also have the brand new note set. So this fits the new Erin Condren with, of course, the circles up top there. And then, of course, the budget sticker sheet. Now, this one has all of the living expenses already on here. You can get it without the living expenses, and then I've also included the option to customize all of the budget sheets now. So you can even customize where it says budget and turn it into February. You can customize all of this up here, all of this, and then also add the other expenses and the blank ones down here. So I really am excited to see if you guys start customizing them, or if you just like it the way I have them. And then of course I I also have the January stuff. I know January's over, so I just thought I would show you really quickly the January notes, and then this was the blank budget, and then the already like living expenses on here. So that was just really quick, the January sets. Now I also came out with a bunch of fun stickers and functional stickers. The first ones are my absolute favorite, guys. Oh, I hope you guys have been enjoying these. These are the Snobons. This one says, "Let it snow and all my friends are flakes." Oh my gosh, this has been hilarious to see how you guys put "all my friends are flakes" in your planner. It has been just so adorable. So that one's probably my favorite out of all of them, although I love them all. Now this one is called "Share Yourself," but you can say "giving" or whatever you like. And it is just a cute little Snowbon, a girl Snowbon and a boy Snowbon, with the boy offering like a piece of snow to the girl one. It is just so adorable, and you can see a piece of the chunk of snow is out of him, so that is just too cute. There's also a game night one. This one again is so adorable, playing Jenga made with ice blocks, just too cute. And then the last one here is "Get Yourself Together," and oh my gosh, can you guys see there's little buttons on the Snowbon, and the Snowbon's like trying to put the button back on, and the hat off on the ground there. So stinking adorable. Now I also have some functional stickers, so some little mini arrows. These are all in the choice of black and white, pastel, and bold. And then of course larger arrows as well, also in the black and white, pastel, and bold. And then some ovals, same theme, bold, pastel, and black and white. And then the last stickers that I had for December are work stickers. So these ones say work on the top here, and then you can put in when you start work and then when you end work. I also added some smaller boxes on the side there, so if you want to use them just for the time that you have into work. For me, I don't have like an end time. It's just whenever I get off work. So I like to use these for just the starting time. And of course they came in pastel, bold, and black and white. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the new releases in December. I will be having a new release video at the end of this month showing you all of the new releases that I have for January, which have already been quite a bit and some really fun ones. So I hope you enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!